This is Ben from Testive, and we're solving a math problem that's a geometry problem. And we have some pretty minimal information here. AB is parallel to CD. What is the length of AD? So we want to remember we're looking for this whole length from here, A, to D. Okay, so we want to remember we're not, we want to accidentally not look for just from the middle to D. We're looking for this whole length A to D. So AB is parallel to CD, and then we have some side lengths. So I immediately know when I see these parallel, when I see that these lines are parallel, AB and CD, that I'm going to be looking probably at similar triangles because I'm going to be looking at some similar angles. So when I have these triangles across from one another, I know that this angle and this angle are the same angle. I know that this angle here and this angle here, by alternate interior angles, those are similar, and that these angles are also. So that means that I have similar triangles. Okay, so when I have similar triangles, that means that I can set up a proportion to find missing side lengths. Okay, so what I can do here is I can look and see that the side lengths correspond. Now, I don't want to get mixed up. 2 is not the proportional side length to 8. It is actually, so I'm not going to set up a proportion that's 2 over 8 equals 3 over x. Let's call this x. I actually need to flip this triangle around. I need to flip this triangle around and set up a proportion that is 2 over 3 equals x over 8. Okay? And then I can cross multiply to solve for x. Okay? So because the relationship between 2 and 3 is the same as the relationship between 8 and x. So 2 times 8 is 16, and 3 times x is 3x. So 16 equals 3x, and therefore x equals 16 over 3. Okay, so now I have x equals 16 over 3. So remember, I'm solving for this whole long line length, which is 2 plus 16 over 3. So now I just need a common denominator because I can't reduce 16 over 3 any further. So I'm actually just going to convert 2 into thirds. So I'm going to have 6 thirds plus 16 thirds equals 22 thirds. And that is the length of AD.